We'll answer all the acid reflux questions you might have. Acid reflux can help make sure that you never feel comfortable no matter your surroundings. You don't want to suffer through this day after day. Instead, you want a life that is free of this harmful and painful condition. Keep watching to find out how you can do this for yourself with some simple tips and tricks. Slow down. When you eat more slowly, your body is able to keep up with what is being deposited in your stomach. This means that it will know that it is full when it truly is full, and you will eat less. If you overeat, you'll find your acid reflux goes crazy. Never, ever, ever lie down after you eat. Even if you have only had a few bites, you may find that food comes back to haunt you in short order if you lie down. Eat all meals at least 2 hours before lying down for a nap or overnight to ensure that acid doesn't sneak back up your esophagus. Keep chewing gum handy. When you chew gum, it not only freshens your breath, but it causes you to salivate. This helps wash acid down your esophagus and back into your stomach, where it belongs. When choosing a flavor, avoid citrus and mint. Mint can cause your esophageal sphincter to relax, and citrus is high in acid. Stop smoking if you are trying to rid yourself of issues with acid reflux. Many people do not know this, but smoking causes the muscles in the esophagus to relax. This can create some of the symptoms associated with acid reflux, so quit if you are trying to make things better. Take the advice that has been given to you here, and work towards eliminating acid reflux from your life. It's not going to happen instantly, but you can be assured that the strategies here will help you. Do not subject yourself to that daily discomfort any longer, and make sure that you follow the advice that has been given to you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.